Let me take a selfie. Let me take a first. 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 Let me take a let me take a selfie. Let me take a first. 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 Let me take a selfie. Let me take a let me take a DJ. Let me take a selfie.
Hey guys, welcome to another hair tutorial. Today I'll be doing a twist out using Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioner and Main Choice's 24 karat gold twisting gel. Before I do any style that involves a combination of two or more products, I usually do a quick test to see if the two will work well together. First, I tested the Contour leave-in conditioner with the Main Choice's twisting gel, and boy, that did not work. The trick is to mix both products together on the back of your hand or palms, and if the products start to get a little clumpy or gummy, then this will most likely leave your hair looking flaky. The Aunt Jackie Hydrating Sealing Butter worked a lot better with the Main Choice's twisting gel, as you see where it blended smoothly, which means it will most likely not leave flakes on your hair. The Eden Pudding Souffle yielded the same results, and so did the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. To begin, I apply the Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioner to my hair, then coat with the Main Choice 24 karat gold twisting gel before beginning to twist the hair. I basically repeated that step through the entire process, and that's basically what I did. I added the leave-in conditioner and then the gel, and then I did a regular 2-strand twist until my entire head was completed. Just ignore the white residue from the products because as soon as the hair dries, it will all disappear. Now just continue to twist until your entire head is completed. So now that the hair is fully dried, I begin to unravel and untwist, and as you can see, there are no flakes. I absolutely love how this turned out. From here on out, you just continue to untwist, and you can use a comb to pick the hair until you get to your desired level of fluff. I recommend this product combination to anyone looking to create a well-defined twist out. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. Thank you. I'm at 300 subscribers now. I'd like to get to 400 within a month. So continue to share, like, invite your friends. And yeah, let's journey together. See you in the next video. Bye.